Hi, I'm Gabriel Feitosa, I'm an Andis educator, and here I am today to show you guys how to do line brushing and combing, which is a technique that is very important to prepare the dog prior to the grooming. The line brushing technique will help ensure that there are no tangles or knots in the dog's coat. When brushing and combing the coat, I'll go over the whole dog once with my Andis slicker brush. Next, I will completely comb through the dog, making sure I can get the comb all the way down to the skin. The comb should glide through the coat easily. If I come across any areas that the comb will not go through, I will go back to the area to try the line brushing technique. This dog has a few areas I want to focus on, so I will show you how I do line brushing on this back section and the leg. The idea behind line brushing is to not only brush the top coat, but the coat that is underneath the longer hair laying on top of it. I will use one hand to lift some coat and will use my slicker brush to get to the coat underneath. With each pass of the brush, I'm pulling hair down from what's held back by my other hand. I am brushing little sections at a time, focusing on the area that has knots, tangles, or mess. Next, I want to check my work with the comb again, making sure my brush worked out anywhere the comb was nagging before. When I'm done, my comb should glide through the coat with ease. If my comb does not go through, I will line brush one more time to work that out. I found an area of the leg that the comb is not gliding through all the way to the skin, so I will also do line brushing here. I'm repeating the steps I did on the back of this dog, using one hand to hold the hair back while brushing with my slicker brush in small sections at a time. After I'm done line brushing on this leg, I will check again with my comb. Now that those areas are finished, I have a dog that is properly prepared and ready to clip. Thanks for joining us. To learn more, check out more videos across andis.com.